A new day begins in the city. The world of artificial intelligence comes to life. The AI expert enters a modern office building using a digital badge at the glass doors. He walks through a hallway with city views. The workspace is bright and already active. The day starts at the desk. Screens are turned on and tools are opened for the first tasks. A video call with the team begins. Key metrics and project goals are discussed. A digital whiteboard shows the model architecture, data flow, layers, and key components are reviewed by the team. A short coffee break in the lounge. Colleagues casually talk about priorities for the day ahead. Training begins. Logs and performance graphs update live on screen as the model learns. Code is reviewed with focus. Key logic sections are checked and debugged for accuracy. Working with a data scientist, the expert reviews results and discusses possible improvements. The model is tested on real-world data. Predictions and performance are observed live. The team discusses AI ethics, fairness, transparency, and responsible system design. Key notes are written in a notebook to summarize findings and highlight next steps for improvement. Simulation results appear on screen. Metrics confirm stable performance and consistency. The dashboard displays animated training progress, accuracy curves, loss values, and live tracking. The dashboard displays animated training progress, accuracy curves, loss values, and live tracking. A debugging session is underway. Code errors are identified and fixed with a developer. A brainstorming meeting focuses on new AI projects. Diagrams and use cases fill the board. The user interface is tested. Anomalies in predictions are flagged, and feedback is submitted. Documentation and handwritten notes are reviewed for consistency across reports and model structure. Two model versions are compared. Accuracy, latency, and consistency are analyzed in detail. Lunch break on the rooftop terrace. The team relaxes and briefly reflects on morning progress. The model is tested on a physical device. Behavior and response are monitored during execution. Test results are entered into the dashboard. Comments, version numbers, and performance notes are added. A project meeting takes place. Graphs and summaries are presented to the manager for review. The final report is written, outlining progress, performance, and recommendations. A full AI development timeline is shown. Data collection, training, testing, and deployment stages. Industry news and recent research are reviewed. Trends in AI are analyzed and noted. Edge cases and system errors are investigated. Logs and model responses are closely examined. A brief team stand-up wraps up the day. Progress is shared and next steps are coordinated. Final code updates are committed to the repository. Version notes and comments are added for tracking. The workspace is cleaned up. Devices are shut down, documents are organized, and charging begins. A last check of the monitoring dashboard confirms that the model is stable and running as expected. The expert leaves the office as the sun sets. The city glows in warm light after a productive day. While walking home, reflections in the glass hint at a day filled with focus, data, and decision-making. A quiet metro ride home. City lights pass by the window as the train glides through the evening. Returning home, the door is closed, the bag is set down, and the pace of the day begins to slow. Notes and printed reports are reviewed one last time. Ideas and details are mentally organized. A task list for tomorrow is checked on a tablet. Priorities are reviewed and mentally planned. The city at night is visible through the window. The apartment is quiet and filled with calm. The laptop is closed and the lights are turned off. The room goes dark, marking the end of the workday. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to WorkSide to explore more real professions from the inside.